Understanding layover duration in travel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we simplify English for you. Today, we're going to explore a travel-related phrase that often confuses learners: layover duration. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about airport jargon, this video is for you. A layover is the period of time you spend at an airport while waiting to board your connecting flight. It's like a short stop between two flights on your journey. Layovers can range from less than an hour to overnight. Understanding this term is crucial for travel planning and navigating airports efficiently. Now, let's dive into layover duration. This term refers to the length of time you'll spend at the airport during a layover. It's the gap between the arrival of your incoming flight and the departure of your connecting flight. Knowing the layover duration helps you plan activities during this waiting period, like grabbing a meal, resting, or exploring airport shops. The duration of a layover is important for several reasons. A very short layover might mean rushing to catch your next flight, while a long layover could offer a chance to relax or even explore the city you're in. It's essential to know this duration to ensure a stress-free travel experience. To make the most of your layover, consider these tips. 1. Check the layover duration before booking your flight. 2. Plan ahead for very short or long layovers. 3. Know the layout of the airport to save time. 4. Have a backup plan in case of delays affecting your layover. That's a wrap on layover durations. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and will help you on your next journey. Safe travels, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language tips. See you in the next video.